Well, welcome to this product demonstration video for the new design of the saliva barrel test that's going to be introduced over the next couple of weeks from ALLTEST. This product's going to be under the same DSD-8127 basic catalogue coding, but with a C abbreviation to it, indicating that it's the new chamber device. These are going to be in ALLTEST standard foils, which are this foil design, multi-drug 12-drug rapid test C-cup oral fluid. And we're going to take these in a variety of combinations. The one we're going to demonstrate for you today is actually a 12-drug including alcohol. So we've got on here Oxy 50, Amp 50, MOP 40, Met 50, Barb 50, K2 at 25, Coke 20, PCP 10, MTD at 30, Benzo 50, THC at 50 cutoff, and the alcohol test. The standard CE certification markings along the bottom indicating it's certified to in vitro diagnostic quality, and the lot numbers and expiry dates or use bys on there. So when you open up the foil, you get your latest design saliva barrel test. Now these come with a pouch of desiccant loaded to keep the test dry. The swab test is fitted into the lid, but when the swab is unsaturated and firm, this is quite rigid and you can't actually close this down or lock it. It's enclosed in a cellophane bag for hygiene, and the test itself is a triangular design. The barrel has a new angulated saliva feed at the base. If we just reverse it here, you'll see the angle going across with the chamber coming down into a central portion here. And from that chamber the saliva then goes each way along and is absorbed up through these membranes. So flat panel design on these. The idea here is we've got the ability to load up to 14 test membranes in each saliva test, and these are on flat surfaces that if you do wish to photocopy the results, the flat chamber aspect should make that very easy to do, one side followed by the second side to record your findings. So to run a test, once you've opened this up, when you're ready to do the test, the saliva swab is removed from its packaging. If we just show you this, a new barrel chamber design on here, slight rotation on the lid, and the actual saliva collecting swab on the base here. It's very firmly attached and it's very rigid when it's dry. So the procedure now is to give that to the donor or to take the sample from the donor. The swab is moved all around the oral cavity, in front of the teeth, behind the teeth, side of the gums, top of the tongue, under the tongue, and then you have to wait for this to completely saturate and be very soft and squishy to absorb sufficient saliva to run all 12. So what we're going to do is collect a saliva sample on this and then show you the test running.